Hello and a very warm welcome to our channel. We're delighted to have you join us today for part 4 of our exciting tutorial series on modeling a complete robotic arm using SolidWorks. In this video, we'll be designing a crucial component, the joint base. We invite you to stick around until the very end to learn all the steps in detail. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.
And there we have it. We've now finished modeling the robot arm's joint base step by step, starting from the 2D sketch and arriving at this complete 3D model. We hope this tutorial was clear and helpful for you. Please don't forget to support us by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or queries, please leave them for us in the comment section below, and we'll be more than happy to answer them. We'll see you in the next video to design the next part. Stay safe.